This training is for Waterfed pole with all sliding glass doors. We're going to show you the squeegee knockdown as well. First off, we want to scrub to the very top of the glass, but not over the top edge of the glass. We don't want a lot of water going up onto the upper area of the frame. We'll clean the frames on the side, and then we scrub the glass like usual. Now, the reason why we don't want a lot of water up at the top is sliding doors have a lot of areas that can trap and hold dirty water that can drip down later. So we want to avoid any extra water up the very top of the frame. So after we do our up, down, and side to side strokes to make sure we have good agitation, we go ahead and do a single stroke with the squeegee and get any extra water off of the top. We want to double check that if we need to touch up things right now is the time to do it. If there's anything that's going to drip down, we want to address it right now. Then we do our rinse right over the top of the wet dry line. So we get a good thorough rinse from that point down, rinsing the frames and then rinsing the glass. Everything's going to look beautiful. This whole process should take about 1 minute for a large window this size, as long as there's nothing extra to address.